evening, good morning, good day to you all. I am in a bit of a state. The Hoover's on downstairs. I'm looking a bit of a state, I've got to say. And well, my room's a state. Okay, you might be saying this is a bit dramatic. It's not too bad and it won't take me long for like tidying. But I'm going to be putting up my Christmas decorations up on Thursday. And when I do that, I want it to be completely tidy so that it's not cluttered or anything like that. And I did do my brother's bedroom because I'm just the best sister in the world. I did my brother's bedroom and his is very tidy. I love it because there's nothing shoved into places, just trying to hide there. Also, another issue, I have a problem with my art supplies. Fellow artists out there, you can probably understand this problem, that art supplies just grow and grow and they take over your whole life. So these are art supplies, these are art supplies, this whole drawer is art supplies. So I'm gonna have to go through them, go through that box down there which is just a whole load of mess. Basically whole heaps of mess pretty much everywhere, which I want all just tidy and clean so that I can come into my room and be like, oh, because that's the thing. My brother's getting sick of me going into his room because it's nice and tidy and I can focus. So let's get started, and my arm really hurts. How do people do this? Okay, let's start. Meet me by my bedside table and I'm going to pick up all of the clothes from my floor. I'm a real mess today. I look awful. I'm gonna go pick up all the clothes around my bedroom, either put them in the wash basket or away. Then kind of tidy up everything on the floor so that I've got a tidy room before I start deep cleaning again. So I've tidied the whole of my floor, which took me like literally 2 minutes, so that was fine, but it makes a big difference. And now on to something that I call my bag of stuff that I need to organise, get rid of, and I just don't know what to do with. Whenever I do this, I always think, oh, it's such a good idea, yeah, I'll put all the stuff that I don't know where it goes and then I can just put it all away in one go. It doesn't work like that. You just end up putting all of your rubbish into a bag that then clutters your room. So I'm going to go through this. This is stuff I'm going to keep. Some of it's like instruction. This is rubbish. You don't need to take through rubbish. Charity stuff. So the bag is done. Now I have finally got rid of all of that, and that is black bag of doom. If you're in there, you go into the dump. So now you're at my desk, which isn't usually this messy, honestly, because I was doing my art today and then finished it. Then I played Minecraft with my brother. So that's why it's still messy. I'm gonna tidy all of this up. So my desk is all tidy, but as you can see, it's very dirty. So I'm going to give it a good wipe clean, and then I'm also going to be painting over it pretty soon. I'm going to probably do these boxes down here, just to make sure I know what I've got, and then I can put everything away nice and tidy. And then I guess the real fun begins, which is going through my boxes of rubbish, like down here and in there, and basically every crevice of my bedroom. So let's get started. 2 boxes are full of art stuff that can't fit into my drawer, and this is one, my art school supplies, which has a lot of supplies in, which should actually just be put away, and as well as other stuff which I haven't been bothered to put away and I've just chucked in here. I've also got my inks in here, which was what this box was for. I've got these watercolour inks. These were for my birthday. So this stuff here still needs a new home. Stuff that was out generally before all the other stuff got put with it. So paper and my inks collection, which I should be able to find space once I've gone through the rest of the boxes from here. Hi. So now I have gone through literally everything, and it was actually really nice because in this box I haven't gone through it in like, I don't know, a long time, maybe 5 years, probably around that time, because it's just always been a dump of basket. But yeah, and I found some really sweet things. Like I found a poster that I laminated and made of all like things that meant a lot to me when I was like, I don't know, 10, 9, and it was really funny seeing what I was like when I was younger. A lot of tiny clay foods. I also found a booklet that I made of drawings from How to Draw. It was a YouTube channel. I think it's still running now. But that is what got me into drawing. Well, I always liked drawing when I was younger, but that was the channel that kind of made me get better as an artist. Obviously, when I was that young, the drawings weren't very good, but they like built up kind of skill, I guess, of drawing. Oh, I got all sentimental on you there. We're meant to be dumping things in the big black bag of doom. Okay, so we go through all of this, put it all away, find homes for it, which is kind of the hardest part. The cleaning, getting rid of stuff isn't that hard. The finding places for stuff, which is hard. So it's the next day. Yeah, I kind of stopped because Bake Off was on, and choice between cleaning or Bake Off. Always going to be Bake Off. Exciting update, I've got my Christmas duvet there, but I'm not going to put that on until next video where I decorate my room for Christmas. I have, if you come down here with me, I've done this box, I've put everything away. It's all nicely organised in there of stuff that I'm keeping. But the next thing I'm going to go through is the boxes underneath my desk, because I think that there will be a lot of just stuff that I can get rid of in those boxes, so I can store other things in them. This is the one that I kind of put the most rubbish in it, for example. Yeah, right, this one's the wrong way. Yeah, let's sort this out. I have found 3 nail clippers. 3 nail clippers. We never have nail clippers. These sprays. I have done the whole of that box there. All empty now, so I have lots of space for everything to go. So I've got a lot of empty boxes now, because most of it was just rubbish. So I've got one more box, I think, that I want to go through, and this one is here. I think it's mainly if it can be more sprays. This one I'm gonna have literally all of the sprays and stuff that I got out of the other box, and lotions and stuff like that. So in here I have now 4. Ow. Okay. have all of my sprays, and I'll put all of my like lotions and stuff in here that I get. I'm in a bit of a state here, so I'm gonna tidy it all up again, and I'll speak to you after that. So this one is going to go back in there, and instead of the top green one, I'm going to put in the bigger one. It's going okay. It's going okay. Hi, I'm on the floor with the hoover. What I'm doing is I'm just hoovering the stuff that will be trapped behind the desk, because I did that to Daniel's room and it just felt a lot cleaner knowing that this stuff wasn't still dirty, I guess, even though I'm not going to be like seeing it or being near it. That's for my respiratory system anyway. Okay. Push it out. I can move back my desk. I'm back. I've put all of them in the right places now. Had an apple, that was nice. Now I'm going to put the boxes back in. And I'm going to put back this one. Then I've also got my printer, which will go on last. Quite heavy and it needs support on the other side. So I'm going to take my wicker basket, which I did first. And hopefully it fits in like this way. Ah, no. That would have worked so well. It doesn't fit in that way. Have space there. Box. That's where my chair will go. Underneath. So now I need to put my printer up on there. Hopefully it kind of goes on there fine. My printer. The struggle. So it doesn't really fit. This box there, I could have this box where over there, and I could have the box that goes there here. That might work better. I'll try that. There, and then this, and then the printer. It kind of feels like it should go there now. And then, yeah, it works, but I'm gonna move it across. Perfect. Now it's like in the corner. It's nice looking at like the tidiness, but then you look behind you and you've still got all of this mess to deal with. It's okay, we're gonna get through it. I think, seeing as I now don't have a space for that, I need to find a space for that. Might be helpful if I just find space for all of this stuff first, so I'm gonna do that. Do my bed all nice, but we're nearly there. We really are nearly there. So, get ready for the review. enjoyed this video and more chatty videos like this, make sure to 1, subscribe, and 2, put a comment down below and make sure that you like this video. I'm really happy I've tidied my bedroom. Like, it's a weight off my shoulders, I can tell you now. But if you're looking forward to the decoration video that will be coming out very, very soon, then make sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss it. Thanks guys, bye!